Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Z-Face and I am back with another tutorial. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a ponytail on nappy hair. So we're starting right in with our cancel shea butter, just to give my hair some moisture. So I'm going into my cancel leave-in conditioner and I'm just applying that like all over my hair generously. You want to work with a moist hair. You don't want your hair to dry because it's not going to sleek properly. The next, I'm going into my soft detangling brush to further detangle my hair more, to detangle the edges of my hair. Whenever you're working with nappy hair, guys, you need to detangle your hair properly well so that everything looks smooth. The next, I'm going into my nappy hair brush. This very hard brush. You guys know this brush, like it's a nappy hair girl must have, and I'm just trying to brush my hair upwards. This brush kind of helps you to pull your hair to whatever direction you want it to be, and then I'm going in to detangle the edges even more. Then after that, I'm going into my Eco Styling Black Castor Flaxseed Oil to just apply that onto my hair. So I'm just applying that generously and I'm kind of moving it towards the ponytail as you guys see me doing in the video. Then I'll go back into my hard brush again and just like brush the hair, to make it smooth and to make it sleek and lay it down pretty well. Like, guys, what I'm going to be doing throughout right now, you guys are just going to understand what I'm doing, so just watch, guys. So right now I'm using my black rubber band to just put my hair into one piece, and that's basically how to achieve your sleek ponytail. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go ahead and style the ponytail and just do some attachments. So just watch how I get this done, guys. So next, I'm going into my vintage black gel. I'm so sorry, guys, I'm just going to leave a picture of it somewhere so that you guys can see how it looks. I kind of lost the footage. So this is how I kind of make my ponytail to look darker, because the Eco Styling gel doesn't really make it look dark, so I use the vintage gel to just increase the darkness of my hair to make it really look dark and natural. So right now what I'm basically doing is I'm just trying to style my edges using my toothbrush. I'm just trying to give it you know, some style. I didn't just want it to look simple and basic. Next, I'm going into my olive oil edge control. So I'm just applying that to make the hold more strong and to just make my edges last long, like they shouldn't wake up from their sleep. So I'm going into this blue black satin material to just tie that all over my hair, you know, to just make my hair sleek, more sleek. Okay, and I'm just going to let that dry overnight. I didn't really feel like using a hair dryer or heat on my hair today, and I think good morning guys. Oh my god, I look so fine. So I'm using this braiding hair from Crystal, and it actually comes with rubber bands attached in the middle, making our work so easy. So I'm just going right ahead to lose my satin material on my hair, and I feel like my hair is really dry, so there was no need for me using a hair dryer. So you don't necessarily need to use heat on your hair. Then I'm just going ahead into my braiding hair to just lose the plait, because it actually comes in a plait, okay, to just reduce the level at which it's going to tangle. And I'm just going to start putting that onto my hair using the rubber band, attaching it onto my small ponytail on my head. So guys, I'm using my coconut hair oil to just oil my hair, my braiding hair actually, to make it shine more, and also to reduce the level at which it's going to tangle, because I know for sure that this hair is going to tangle. Okay, it's braiding hair, and braiding hair tangles. For some time I would stop guys and look at the mirror and admire my makeup so much. Well, I'm going to drop a video of this look pretty soon, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I do that upload. All right, so I'm just trying to oil my hair. I'm actually oiling my hair right now, not trying, I'm oiling my hair right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and brush the hair out. You know, I don't want the hair to tangle, okay? So I'm attaching the braiding hair extension using the yellow rubber bands. I know what you may be thinking right now, like, is this rubber band not going to show? Guys, I was scared of that too, but I am pretty sure that I'm going to cover it up all such a way that that yellow rubber band isn't going to show. I had to use black, but I couldn't find black. The hair came with a yellow rubber band, guys, so we were unfortunate. So I already applied the first hair, and moving on to this second hair, guys, I had so much trouble applying the extension, like putting the extension. Like the mesh was just giving me so much heat, as you can see. Like I struggled with it so much, so much, but I succeeded at the end. So just watch how I struggle with this with this braiding hair, guys. So guys, I finally did it. Okay, so right now I'm just trying to make my hair look more beautiful and hide the yellow rubber band that I have on my hair. Okay, so I'm just taking my hair and just pretty much rubbing it, you know, to just make my ponytail look high, and also hiding my yellow rubber band. All right, while doing this, I also detangle the edges of this hair because it really tangles, guys. So the matter got hot and I had to stand up to show you guys what I was doing. All right. So guys, my ponytail was pretty long. Like, you guys know how braiding hair comes in, like it's really long. So I didn't really want something that was going to be long because it was going to disturb me and it was going to tangle a lot. So I took my scissors and I was trying to cut off the long edges and the tangled edges, guys. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I have brushed the hair so that it doesn't look tangled, guys, so that it detangles so well. And I didn't want my edges to be just straight, so I went back into my scissors and I kind of tried to just cut the hair in between, as you see me doing. So that's basically it, guys. I am just adjusting my ponytail right now, you know, moving my hair forward, trying to detangle my hair with my brush. Okay, so that's basically it for this video. Is that it? How could I forget? I went into my got2b glue spray, you know, to just add the hold of my ponytail, and I'm just spraying that onto my hair to give it some shine and to increase the hold. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. All right, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do an upload, guys. See you guys in my next one.